Hi everyone, welcome back to Rabbit Ridge Living. We are going to make a trip out to my dad's. He's running the sawmill today, so that's always enjoyable to watch him do that, and a little coolness in the air. So are you ready for fall, Steve?
Oh, I think I am ready for fall. It's been a hot summer, and we have our fall clothes on today for the first time in a few months without the humidity, so that's great. So look forward to seeing the sawmill run and the father-in-law, so come on along and join us on our adventure. All right, let's get going. Father-in-laws, we're in the country now. Country is where you get the wood. We're coming into grape country. You'll see some grapes up here on the vine. Some of the Welch's products are made here.
Yep. End of September is great.
Grape country.
It smells just like grape jelly. I can smell a little bit of it now. Do you see?
Yeah, it smells really strong. It just smells like grape jelly, pretty much it. Okay. Coming down to the it's on a lake road. I think you may have seen the high water video earlier. We'll be pulling into the garage in a minute and going out back to the sawmill. We got the father-in-law out mowing, giving us the red green grass carpet treatment. There he is. Got the father-in-law mowing today. Stripes in the lawn. Tell my wife everything she knows about making lawn stripes. We have this giant elephant here.
It's a banana tree.
Banana tree.
That don't normally grow in Michigan. And can't tell you how old this tree is. But my dad will cut it down, and then he'll just keep heaping mulch on it so that it protects the bulb. And sure enough, it comes back gorgeous like this every single year. Have yet to see a banana grow on it, but I'm sure the conditions, we don't have conditions for that. But it certainly is pretty. What do they use these for? Cigars? Roll up cigars in them?
You're asking the wrong guy. Bananas is what I thought.
How old is this tree, Dad?
Didn't even know it was a banana tree.
That tree is probably
Come here.
15 years old or older.
But that's all honeycomb on the inside.
Oh, really?
Yep. Honeycomb and full of water.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. Do you water? How often do you keep this watered?
I think I watered it once or twice this year.
Oh. Yeah.
But I never got the leaves off it.
And you normally do?
Yeah. The rock the other night, talking to the owner, and I said, if your cook wants to cook the banana leaves, I said, I got a bunch of them. He said, I'll tell him. He said he might want to do that.
What do they use them for? They wrap
Sycom across the lake from Korea, they wrap, I don't know what they wrap up, but they wrap stuff up on the inside of them and
cook them and
cook
steam
'em.
them maybe.
yeah.
Did she come and get some?
She did last year.
Huh.
But they don't, I take and dump them back in the woods. And they dry up, but they don't really deteriorate.
Oh, yeah, this is a lot. So you're gonna dump more mulch and stuff on here then again?
Well, I might put some on, I'll see how wet it is.
Well, you probably should. If you've only watered it once this year, then, but because you didn't remove the mulch. Yeah. This is I bet it is close to 20 years old.
I wouldn't
Because
be,
you had this way before Mama's.
yeah. I think I got it about the first year that they had them over there to the greenhouse.
Uh-huh. It's spectacular. You ever see any bugs or insects on it?
The only thing that raises hobbles is the wind.
Yeah. I can see that.
But if a person wanted to make a hut, cut these leaves off and overlap, have a good roof.
Survivor.
And have a good roof.
What is this, Dad?
Old paddle boat, made in Canada.
I see it has a propeller on there.
Yep. Folds up to a little package. It's all foam.
You can steer it. I see a
Yep.
rudder.
Yep, that's this right here.
Uh-huh. Does it work now, or do you have to make repairs to it?
No, I think it'd be all right if I was always going to put it in the water and never got it.
Yeah, you should try it.
If
Well-
the lake was out here, I'd get in there right away.
Right. I know.
I have too much fun back here to screw around on the lake.
Let's see, this is called an aqua something. Super Sport Aqua Fun, made in Joliet, Quebec. Yeah.
Seems like an old tractor here. Try to see what the name is. The Scoop Creek. Here's an old cutoff saw. I don't know if he's used this or not yet. I just got it. First time I've seen it. Interesting. That'll leave a mark if you miss. And we're up here at the sawmill. Hi, we're here at father-in-law's sawmill. He's gonna do a little sawing for us and cut up this log so I can make some craft projects this winter in the garage. Keep myself busy and occupied instead of bothering the wife, so which is important.
Very important.
Very important. So I'll show you that log a little bit. He's just gonna cut this one up, and I was just kind of wondering, when did you get into the sawmill business?
Probably a year and a half, 2 years ago. It's something I've always wanted. And so I had to get permission from my kids whether I could buy it or not.
Well, obviously you got permission, huh?
They said go for it.
Yeah, we knew he'd make all kinds of stuff for us, that's for sure.
So, yep, it's been a lot of fun. It's not an expensive one, but it does what I want it to do.
Been a good unit then.
Yep. Timbery.
Timbery.
Yep.
Gas-powered engine.
This will cut a log that's about 24 inches in diameter, and I can go up to pretty close to 16 feet long.
Oh, that's a lot of cutting. That's good.
If I want to cut that much. Yep. But it's just fun. You need a piece of wood while you go out and make your own wood instead of running to the lumberyard.
Yeah, that's and lumber prices went way up here with COVID, so.
Doug was out Saturday and he had a building that was, or a box given to him. He needed a floor in it, so had a log on here, and we cut him a bunch of 1-inch boards that's 12 inches wide, and he's got his floor for his shed now.
Good deal, good deal.
Works out really well.
So you have a place to get all these logs, or people bring them to you, or?
All of the logs come from the woods and back. I take care of that property, and anything that falls on the ground I can have. I can't cut anything down, but anything that tips over, limbs, trees or whatever, then I can have them. And I used to cut them for firewood, but now when you get a log that's 12, 14 foot long with no knots in it, it's kind of hard to cut that up for firewood.
Yeah. Well, this is more fun anyway.
Yeah. Yep.
So, all right, well, we'll watch you saw up my project wood and see how it's done.
Okay.